Hi guys. Let's see how does print to PDF works in Windows 10 computer. This feature differ from the Save as PDF option. In Save as PDF means to save the original version of the document and convert it into a different format. In Print to PDF meanwhile captures digitally how a PDF would look like when printed. In this video I will show you Print to PDF using MS Word. You can use any word processing or image file for this. First open a Word document. Go to File and select Print option. In Printer drop-down you need to select Print to PDF. Then select Print. So save the document as your preference. Here you can see the PDF document. There is another keyboard shortcut to do this. Open Word document and press Ctrl key and P key. Then you can go with the previous process. Here you can see the output as well. That's all about Print to PDF feature. So if you enjoyed the video please like, share and comment to the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.